Hello viewers. Today, in this session of our motivation series, we have with us Dr. Rizwan Khan, who is the NEET DM Neurology 2020 rank 2. He also has got NIMHANS rank 4.
I am Dr. Rizwan and I completed my UG from Chelmana Anandrao, that is from Karimnagar, a private medical college. After that, I joined in PG in Siddhartha Medical College, Vijayawada. Thereafter, I completed my PG last year, sir. Then after I started working and I was preparing while working. From the day one onwards, I was working. Sir.
Oh, that is great. Actually, I was talking to all the people who had messaged me regarding their entry to the various colleges. Most of them, I think more than 95% of them were sitting back and studying for at least 6 months. Just finished the MD, had directly gone into their exam as such this time because the exam was delayed a bit. So that is a very important message you have sent us. Working and studying. So that is a big thing. So how did you manage your work and your study schedule? So
Sir,
your MD by which year?
2019, sir.
2019 only.
2019 July. Then with that time, I gave my NEET, sir. So I got selected into Topiwala National Medical College.
What was your rank in last year?
125, sir.
Oh, 125. Okay.
But I resigned because of the single seat there.
What
single
was
PG for first seat. Only only intake was only one seat, sir, per year.
Okay.
So you got to be on call every day.
Oh, it was very hectic.
I didn't work, sir. I just managed for 2 days and just resigned and came back.
Oh, so when you leave in such a way, there will be fine and all, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There was 2 lakhs fine.
2 lakhs fine you have paid and left from that. Okay. So
then after I started.
Okay. After that, you started working, and along with that, you started studying. So when did you start your preparation in the PG period? Actually, the first year, second year. What
second year? Second year.
Which all books did you follow in your PG? Why in your PG period? Which one did you follow? After that, which one did you follow?
In PG period, when we started going for referral postings, I started with Harrison. Okay. Along with that, Ajay Mathur at the same time. Reading one chapter of Ajay Harrison and completing that part of Ajay Mathur. Then after, slowly, I went on to Sunil Kumar and Omkar Nath also, sir. Omkar Nath.
Okay. So Omkar Nath, Sunil Kumar, Ajay Mathur, and Harrison were your main textbooks and associate books during your PG period. So with that itself, you have cracked NEET the first time itself. That is about 125 rank. So at that time, did you study Bradley?
Studying Bradley after that.
After that. Okay. So and this year, what extra preparation did you do apart from that other?
Yes, sir. Extra preparation, we took only paid coaching for only pediatric neurology part, sir. Remaining we didn't, I didn't touch. Okay. Our friends also, sir, Shiva, Rohin also, we took only for pediatric neurology part. Okay. But still, we couldn't get 1 or 2% from that part, sir. Okay. We are very disappointed with that pediatric neurology part last year and this year.
Okay. So did you anticipate this much of pediatric neurology questions this week?
No.
Then why specifically only pediatric neurology from the coaching center?
Yes, sir. Why? Because last time I didn't prepare for any pediatric neurology last year. So the whole of the questions, that images, everything, I did not know anything, sir. I have never seen them. So that rank got that far away.
It's not that far, but it was a 3-digit 125 rank. Okay. It's good only. But you didn't get the college of your choice. Okay. So you are thorough with the pediatric neurology part, right? So in pediatric neurology, I'm just asking you, since you have spent so much time on pediatric neurology, which are the topics? Do you think some topics are more important in pediatric neurology, because pediatric neurology is very difficult for a physician to completely study. But as a neurologist, we are supposed to learn pediatric neurology. But during your study period, which were the topics you emphasized on? Can you tell the viewers
That,
regarding?
yes, sir. The pediatric neurology part, mostly they are asking images from malformations, then from spinal cord malformations, cranial malformations, leukencephaly, so such that, and then after they are going after milestones.
Okay.
Then after they are asking some metabolic related
Okay.
metabolic type of questions.
So I think leukodystrophies, metabolic, neurometabolic disorders, some genetic disorders related with neurology. Then, as you said, the developmental anomalies, which could start from the very beginning, neurulation up to this folding of brain and all. Everything would come under this. So that this time you had mastered better than the last time.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No.
No
It
problem.
was difficult for everyone. So
Yeah, I got it. So apart from that, so this time, this 1 year, did you spend gaining more knowledge, or you started solving questions more? Which was the one you emphasized?
no, sir. Solving questions only, sir.
Solving questions only. Since you have
Yes,
covered most of the learning part and the concept part during your PG and your
PG.
attempt, now this year you spend maximum time in solving questions.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I am
That was,
asking just because of the reason that
yeah,
many
yeah.
people
That,
feel like you only. This time they
yes,
didn't get a college in NEET, preferred college in
yes.
NEET. Even after getting a 3-digit rank, they may appear for the next time. So it will be benefiting them. So solving questions. So how do you like go around solving questions? What do you suggest the aspirant should do, especially in solving questions?
Solving part was at the same time. After reading a chapter of Harrison or something from Bradley, you got to solve that part from any of the modules.
Okay, modules. I didn't get them. Means modules means
Modules means, suppose we were keeping exams every week or so, sir. Before you entered, we ourselves, one of them used to volunteer and prepare a paper for 25 or so, and we were sending in the group, WhatsApp group,
oh, you had a WhatsApp
the
group.
group which is both Shiva and Rohin were talking. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Shiva, Rohin, and everyone. Those who got good ranks, they are all from this group, sir.
Yeah, I know that actually. And
So after 5 months, you took over, sir.
yeah,
I am very happy to
yeah.
have you.
So it made things
Uh,
easy for you. You just needed to
oh,
study.
no, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah, very easy, sir. Because someone who has done his DM and who is assistant professor, he is dedicating time for us. That is, we didn't expect. And for the record, sir, nearly 70-80 members who benefit from you won't forget you for their lifetime.
Yeah, that's good news. I could be of some
Yeah.
use to people. So
Yeah, no.
okay. So regarding, I remember I have put the questions, and since you have
Yes, sir.
studied everything, you didn't have much of a trouble solving the questions. So in the mock test, you used to come in top 5, I guess, top 5 every time. Test every module test. I
Except,
put 15 modules, and all the 15, I think you had come in top 5, and mock test also same actually. So you are now, you knew that you will definitely be in the top 10 in the NEET exam. But I'll tell you,
no,
you didn't expect that. Okay. But it's okay. But you know that this NEET was very different. Not as expected. Even I didn't expect the same kind of questions this time. So Nimhans, any extra preparation or just continuing the same, revising?
extra preparation, sir. So, actually, they used to ask psychiatric questions more and some PSM questions. But I don't know, from last 2 sessions, they are not asking that much.
Yeah, I also noticed the change.
Neuro,
Usually it's not
neuropsychiatric.
being asked, but this could come back. But now pediatric neurology has taken over, I think. So that's the main hot topic these days. Okay. So So, would you like to give some advice to the generation? Don't freely if you want to. Like I have already always told them that it's Harrison you have to follow. That is everyone is saying in single voice that Harrison. Those who cracked this time has said that Harrison is the basics. So apart from that, would you emphasize any second best book to study apart from Harrison? What would you suggest?
Sunil Kumar, sir.
Sunil Kumar. Okay.
Sunil Kumar is for central exams.
Okay.
And Omkar Nath is especially some parts from Nimhans.
Nimhans. So are these books that much reliable? Means we can fully follow them without any doubt, because they will be giving MCQ questions with some answers in them. So fully 100% we can follow.
No, not 100%, sir. They are giving anyway. They are giving previous questions, so you can expect the questions of that type.
Oh, great. So what I understand from what you said is that these books have questions, especially from the previous exams, and so the current exam, the topic would come in and around the previous question. Okay, so that is a good way we'll get to know what questions we have to concentrate or emphasize more. Okay. So apart from Nimhans, did you have any other exams in your mind, especially AIMS, JIPMER, PGA, Sri Chitra, etc.? Or
yes, sir. I was aiming for PGA and JIPMER. Last time I attempted and got 7 and 9.
Oh, waiting list.
JIPMER 7. No, sir. Waiting list. Yeah.
Okay.
Only 1 or 3 seats.
I know.
Also, sir. I would like to thank my friends Rohin, Shiva, Pritam, who have contributed a lot in that group. After that, you took over, and I thank a lot from my heart.
He initially told me that he is not a man with words. Working and studying is difficult. So better those who are in the second year and all start studying, because we don't know what life will be having in store for us later. Because studying time, you can manage these studies, that is entrance preparation studies, along with your usual studies in both medicine and pediatrics. And those who want to work and study, you can follow the schedule as Rizwan had said. Actually, start early, study, then go to work, come back, revise, and that is a good, and spend time in solving questions to crack the entrance. So I wholeheartedly thank Rizwan. I also congratulate him for his success. For entering in the Nimhans exam. He has entered Nimhans like a batch of his friends. He has Rohin, Shiva Prakash. I think almost one person had gone into AIMS. He got left out, I guess. So that is the importance of group study. So if you get you are lucky, you will get some group of friends to study. Try if you can. If you have started to study, just try whether you can get a good set of friends to take you forward. So start as early as possible. With these words, I'll just end this session.